honestly, I'm not okay. I've just left the NTV show. Today I had to attend to shows, NTV and NBS. To second TV. Sanga mkaga zenyini. And when I reached, they started playing my songs. Nebamba mic, DJ Deno. But end up joining a show. All of the cameras and as Jaka kazi the mic. Akawa Ava Peace. Man, I know manager Ava Peace is your friend. And I call you. This is disrespect to say. Nzanji kirizanyo banange. She came in late. They removed the microphone from my hands without any explanation, without any reason. Jebampa de nebamwa. I felt so bad. Okay. I'm late for share end this. I don't think I'll make it. I'm not feeling fine. Someone I could take one see emotionally, physically, in any way. So
oh Bambi Sheila nange anyways mbadde sewulira bulungi ne Sheila oyo muwala that wasn't right kyakoze. I'll first address that. Then ekirala, you know I'm not feeling well nga bwe nkugambye. So I was late by 30 minutes. Show yabadde etandika ssaawa 5. I was late by 30 minutes. Kitegeeza natuuse ssaawa 5 kitundu. Ne ntuuka ku station, ba producer ne bandaba ne bampa ew'okutuula. Bampadde ew'okutuula. After some time, ne bandeetera omuzindalo because everyone had seen me nti nno ntuuse mu kifo. Everyone had seen me. Era ne baleeta omuzindalo ne bagumpa when it was my time to perform. Ne ngenda ne performinga. After some time, ndi ku simu, I see a video circulating. Of course, ne mpulira bubi. Because munange and find abantu baabwe like of course they've not had my side yet. But of course ngabo like like how people tisobola banenya because people get hurt. I felt so bad and I couldn't just come out because nze erinnya lyange si buildings ku like bambukwebuza kuba ku like in a bad way. I don't think it's the right way of building erinnya when you're tarnishing some other people's names. So I really felt bad nga kiteeka ku nze just because ayagala ku building kike ayagala bambawulire kike. But of course I had to just, be silent. Go like, I had to just be silent and just watch the space. So it was just too much. Of course, in fact, Sheila mbadde ngenda bireka. But the fact that you wanted to know my side, ngamba why? Let me tell you. So after some time, aba NTV bankubira, bangamba banange, we are sorry. I don't know if you've seen the video, bichi, but we know like you were here first. Kubanga no mwala abadde clear agambi yatuse sawa mukaaga. Nze nabaddewo Sheila by sawa 5 kitundu nga ntudde nga ninze because I am sick kati just lwakuba nti nnoze like obadde seemulisa nti nno mbuba ntuddewa like ntudde mu space kitegeera era bo bazze babadde bamanyi omuntu eyasoose ne bajja ne bampa akazindaalo simanyi oba akazindaalo bakagyewa oba bakagyewa naye nze bazze ne bakola ki ne bampa akazindaalo ne ngenda ne nnyimba. So anyways I don't think it's just the right way of building erinnya just like that on other people's names when you're tarnishing some other people's names. Kubanga nange anyways bali bakinkozeeko ekyokunzijjako omuzindaalo mwanda bakunkuuka Spice Diana yanzijjako omuzindaalo but nakitegeera as a grown up person maybe they had their other programs okitegeera maybe they had their other programs nga bo because naye muyimbi okitegeera I didn't come out Sheila nze sivangayo ne ngamba Spice Diana yanzijjako omuzindaalo no nze building alinnya lyange ku negativity never savaayo. If anyone has a video of me speaking mbumbu bambu Spice Diana yanzijjako akazindaalo ba manager oba anything no never. Era nze saavaayo kukyogerako but what I did was to go in studio nze nesigala nga nkola just nti n'abantu baakiraba abalala abaakiraba be baakyogerako naye nze sakiwa matu like sakiwa I didn't give it time sakiwa mbubambu nkibeereko nnyo but I was hurt though I had to understand that maybe they also had their own programs nga balinayo kola ki performing. Oyo mwala agamba yabadde ne program endala nange nabadde ne programs endala. Yes, I am sick but then I had other programs and I still have more programs running in the day. Zonna shows era nagenza okkeera waba yabadde akimanyi nti nalinayo programu endala then yabadde alina okkeera nansookawo maybe she had to be there by 11 naye nze I was supposed to be there by 11 nentuuka 11:30 because I was in hospital I was supposed to receive a drip because ndi mulwadde